Hey, what's going on, EXP family? I was having an amazing conversation with an amazing person, and she was talking leadership and mindset and energy. And we call that our Connected show. We do it every Friday. You can find the playlist down here on YouTube if you scroll down a little bit. Sherry Swift, though, started to take us on a journey into AI, and we were briefly getting into her top 3 tools. She was going to recommend 3 tools, why she uses them, a little bit about how she's using them in kind of a short and sweet conversation. So what I thought I'd do is bring Sherry back and actually just give you her list of her top 3 AI tools and resources she's using right now. Let us know in the comments if you like this kind of content, you want us to go deeper, you want to get more knowledge around any of the AI tools, and let us know what it is that you're using right now.
Hello, everyone. So I am excited to talk with you a little bit about some of the AI tools and resources that I'm actually utilizing to create leverage in my world. I want to first make sure, and I know by now the majority of you are utilizing ChatGPT, but I want to make sure that the majority of you have discovered that the pro version of ChatGPT does a little bit more than just let you in whenever you want to go in. It actually will lean in a little bit more, and it will learn what it needs to learn about who you are, what you do, what your branding looks and sounds like, what your catchphrases are. It will work to learn more about you. So if you have ChatGPT, make sure that you upgrade to the Pro. And when you upgrade to the Pro, make sure that you go in where your photo is. You're going to answer a few questions. It's going to ask you, tell me about your brand, tell me about this, tell me about that. And then what you're going to do after you do that, you're going to type in the chat, listen, ChatGPT, I'm going to partner with you to take care of some of my social media content. I'm going to ask you to create some newsletters for me, and we're going to do some marketing together. But first, I want you to ask me 20 questions that will help you to learn all about my branding and my marketing and create quality content for me. So please ask me 20 questions, and I will answer those so that we can move forward. Here's what's bananas. ChatGPT will then go into asking you 20 questions that really serves as 2 things for you. It's going to teach you how to teach ChatGPT about you and your brand and how you speak. But then it forces you, business owner, to sit down and think about your brand. It forces you to slow down and think about your brand while you're answering those questions. So that's the first thing. The second thing I would say, I love YouTube because of the long form content ability. And I used to love YouTube just because it was a place for me to house my long form content, 10, 12, 15 minutes per video. Just so that when people Google search Sherry Swift, or my team members wanted a place to send people to kind of get to know who I am and what my leadership style is, there'd be videos there that speak to who I am. But now what AI has done is it has created tools that will allow you to take those YouTube videos, 10, 12, 15 minutes, drop them inside of these tools, and the tools will intuitively create from that one video 7, 8, 9, sometimes 10 short 30, 60-minute videos that are perfect for IG Reels, that are perfect for TikToks. They already have the captions. The emojis are already there. So the links or the software that I use for that is Video AI. So it's VIDIYO.ai. There's a free opportunity to try it. So you're going to love it. Check it out. And then there's another one that is opus.pro. opus.pro. Those two pretty much do the same thing, but opus.pro is almost like a coach and a trainer because it will actually tell you how you're doing with your video, and it will make suggestions on what you can improve. You need to work on your hook, you need to slow down a little bit. It'll tell you what you need to do. So those are 2 really, really great tools from an AI perspective. One more thing. If you have an Apple phone, I'm not an Apple girl, I'm an Android girl, but I do know enough to know that I have to at least have an iPad. And so if you have an Apple product, I would encourage you to look into captions AI. Captions AI is an Apple product that will actually provide you with a teleprompter. It will write the script for you on whatever it is that you want to talk about. So let's say you say, Sherry, I know it's time for me to get in front of the camera, but I freeze in front of the camera and I just don't know what I should say. Here's what you should do. You should get this Captions AI. All you have to do is type inside of it, I want a great script that's about 60 seconds that is telling people what's happening in the market right now and asking them to call me or my team today. So then Captions AI is going to write out a script for you, and it's going to turn into a teleprompter. It's going to then record it with the teleprompter working for you, and then it's going to add the captions. It's amazing. So there's just a few tools, but AI is everywhere. So we'll have to talk more about it. Thanks for leaning in.